Hello guys, welcome to today's video back on TechIt. If you're new here, it'd be much appreciated if you do subscribe and like this video. So today we're going to be showing you how to uninstall a game off Steam. First thing you need to do is launch your Steam application and head to the library page. Just press the library page and you'll come to a screen like this. Depending on what games you do have installed, it will be completely different. Say if I want to uninstall a game, I'll search the game, say if you have loads, or you can just find it. If you are going to search it, you just need to press this little box here with the magnifying glass icon. But otherwise, it's pretty easy to find the game that's in alphabetical order by just scrolling down. For example, if I did want to uninstall a game, I can just go to, say if I want to get rid of Shotgun Farmers, for example, I'd right click on it, go to Manage and Uninstall. You can also get rid of these, so hide the game if you want to. If you do want it there but you just don't want it showing, I don't know why you'd want to use that, but it's literally just as simple as pressing Uninstall. Then you'll see a page like this, what'll pop up once you've clicked Uninstall, and it's just basically asking you to confirm whether you do want to delete the game or not. Sometimes I do delete games just to save storage and then put them back on. Reinstall them once I've want to play it. If it's a game I've not played in ages and I do want to replay it, it is just really simple to reinstall the game by going onto this page again. As you can see that some are greyed out. If they are greyed out, that means it's not installed on your PC. If it's not greyed out, so for example this one, the video editor software that I use, that means it's already installed on your system. Say if it does disappear from this bar on the left, and it's a game that you have had and you want to reinstall it again, say if it was like Apex Legends, a free game, I just go back to store, go to the search, and then search Apex Legends. And then there you go, it's right there. Because I do have it installed on my device, I can just play, but otherwise it would say install, and you can literally just reinstall it, as simple as that. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and have a good day.